Hello and welcome. This is Rhonda Schaefer living in Fairport, New York. If you find value in this video, give it a like and make a comment or subscribe so you'll know when I upload valuable information for you. Don't quit. Whatever you do, don't quit. This poem has been on my bathroom wall for decades. Don't quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile, but you have to sigh. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns. And many a failure turns about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and faltering man. Often the struggle has given up when he might have captured victor's cup. And he learned too late when the night slipped down how close he was to the golden crown. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. And you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seem worse that you must not quit. This is Rhonda Schaefer. Remember that it often seems darkest just before the dawn. That's why I've kept this poem on my bathroom wall for so many years. It has proven true over and over. It can for you too. If you found value in this video, remember to like it and make a comment so that I know I'm bringing valuable information to you. Good day.